Welcome, on sale today, Vauxhall Antara, the CDTI diesel manual. It's the 4x4 version, 2013, nice miles, 68,000 miles, long MOT, good service history, comes with 2 keys, everything as it should be, HPI clear. We only have HPI clear cars, so no accident damage, no finance interest. We've drove it some distance, drives very well indeed. In the black, with good set of tyres on it. Everything as it should be, with the tow kit. One of our best sellers these, and it's nice to see the 4x4 model. On the rear, we've got this nice flat load area, all the roof lining as it should be. On the inside we've got the contrasting seats, everything as it should be there, with the heated seat pack, with the 6-speed box, with the air conditioning. There's your mileage, 68,200. Again, lovely order. It's had a nice easy life. Same again with the rear seats, everything as it should be, with the front and rear electric window pack and the mirror pack. So that's on sale today. We're in glorious Staffordshire on the main A5, where our showroom is in Cannock, WS11, 2 minutes off junction 11 and 12, 30 seconds off the toll road there. Very easy access. Come and have a look at your own leisure. I'll give you the keys. If you need to part exchange, not a problem. Finance, again, we're FCA regulated, which means we can offer finance based on your credit status. UK delivery, we drive these cars to your doorstep, so give us a ring if you need delivery. Just simply get in touch, see what we can do, put together, whether it's delivery, part exchange, finance, card payment, whatever you want. Go to our website, scsws11.co.uk, and you'll see we've got over 4,200 followers there on our Facebook page, and more importantly, we've got the verified reviews from the car dealer reviews. Have a look at those. That just tells you a little bit more about who we are and what we do from our customers' point of view. Hopefully, we'll speak to you soon.